So you've noticed that your hair could use a little extra TLC. Maybe your tresses are sparse, fall flat, or it's taking forever to grow out your current style. Whatever your worry, supplements designed with your mane in mind may be more useful than you think. Hair growth supplements are helpful for anyone who is experiencing hair loss, hair thinning, or for those who just want thicker or longer hair, says Dendi Engelman, MD, board-certified dermatologic surgeon at Medical Dermatology and Cosmetic Surgery in New York City. Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to talk about the 10 best supplements to help hair grow according to dermatologists. So, before moving ahead, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. So, let's get started. 1. Nutrafol. Dr. Engelman favors this supplement to target thinning. This uses highly concentrated botanicals to address every stage of the growth cycle, she says, such as vitamin E, ashwagandha, a type of herb, anti-inflammatory biocurcumin, and others. It has excellent clinical studies to support its efficacy. I recommend it daily to my patients. One peer-reviewed study, which was funded by Nutrafol, published in the Journal of Drugs in Dermatology, found that women who said their hair was thinning reported improved growth and thickness after taking it for 6 months. The researchers also found an increase in hair density after 3 months. 2. Biotin. This B vitamin is an ingredient in many different hair supplements for good reason. Biotin is a water-soluble vitamin that supports the growth of hair, skin, and nails by helping to break down fats and carbohydrates, says Dr. Engelman. Run low and you may notice your hair is weak, or you may start to lose it. You can expect the vitamin to increase the speed of hair growth, but it won't increase thickness, she says. However, it is far cheaper than other supplements, making it a good starting point. For one good biotin supplement, Dr. Jalliman recommends Nature's Bounty Biotin. 3. Viviscal Extra Strength Dietary Supplements. Containing a marine complex, as well as biotin and zinc, vitamin C, iron, and horsetail extract, Viviscal uses vitamins to extend the anagen phase of the hair growth cycle, says Dr. Engelman. In a 2015 study published in Dermatology Research and Practice, found that after 90 days, adult women taking Viviscal had an increase in hair volume and lost significantly fewer hairs after washing compared to a placebo. 4. Undeniable Beauty Gummy Supplement. This supplement wins for its blend of biotin, vitamin C and E, and keratin protein. Biotin encourages hair growth, while antioxidant vitamin C and E helps cells fight off free radicals, which are damaging to hair follicles, says Dr. Jalliman. When you combine these vitamins with others, such as biotin, you give the body some of the nutrients it needs for healthy hair, she says. 5. Gorgeous Hair, Skin and Nails Multivitamin. Enriched with biotin, vitamin C and E, as well as other must-have nutrients like zinc and folate. These gummies not only improve the look and growth of hair, but reviewers rave about the noticeable difference it makes in brittle nails too. This stuff enhances my curl pattern and puts a stop to breakage and split ends and knots, one happy Amazon reviewer wrote. I've noticed that my hair is thicker and a little longer too. 6. Healthy Hair, Skin, Nails Tablets. Made in the US, these naturally derived tablets are made of organic fruits, vegetables, and herbs to help supplement the nutrients you and your hair may be lacking. They also go through a patented prebiotic and probiotic fermentation process to remove toxins and create a pure formula chock full of antioxidants and vitamins. 7. Hair Sweet Hair Growth Vegan Gummies. Biotin, zinc, B12, PABA, and folic acid are all packed into these adorable little chews. PABA is thought to help darken gray hair. I'm a highly skeptical person, but I took these gummies for a month and there's been an obvious improvement to my hair. One Sephora reviewer wrote, "First thing I noticed was how long my hair was getting, a bit faster than normal. Next was how soft my hair seemed. Lastly, and probably my favorite result, was how little I was shedding. I usually shed a handful in the shower, and it's been significantly less lately." 8. Women's Prenatal 1 Multivitamin. Whether you're pregnant or not, your hair can benefit from a prenatal, says Susan Friedler, MD, board-certified dermatologist with Advanced Dermatology PC, and clinical instructor of dermatology at MT Sinai Medical Center in New York City. A prenatal vitamin has the nutrients you need to support hair growth in high enough concentrations, she says. Prenatals are specifically often packed with iron. Many of my patients whose hair is thinning are missing iron, she says. The beauty of this one a day is that it contains biotin as well as iron 28 mg, 156% of your daily need. 9. Real food organic vitamin D3. Telogen effluvium is the medical term for when you shed more hair than normal. It often shows up a few months after a stressful event, like childbirth or significant psychological stress. That's where vitamin D comes in. The number one vitamin that's not respected enough as a serious cause of hair not growing back in TE is a vitamin D deficiency, says Sapna Palap, MD, founder of Spring Street Dermatology in New York City. Vitamin D is involved in the production of new hair follicles, so Dr. Palap recommends taking a hair growth vitamin and then supplementing with additional D. This one from Thrive Market is plant-based, gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, and free of dyes, color additives, and preservatives. 10. Hair supplement for thinning hair. This supplement contains ashwagandha to help control the production of the stress hormone cortisol, a factor that may spur hair shedding. Biotin also speeds growth, while amino acids provide the building blocks for keratin production, a protein that makes up the bulk of your hair. Vitamin C and E also act on antioxidant defenses to stop premature loss. I hope you guys surely like and enjoy our video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.